Hey everyone, it's Isa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Blackpink's 2021 Season's Greetings, which is, I think, my favorite packaging for a Season's Greetings ever. Just look at that. But before I get too carried away, I want to go ahead and look at the K-Time for Your pre-order benefit cards, which are so gorgeous. So let's take a look at this set first. So I have Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, and Lisa. Then for the second set, we have Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, and Lisa. So pretty. Alright, so before we get in with the kit video, let's start with the actual Season's Greetings. So here we have this sort of holographic cover, but it's mostly pink. It's not like the pink background. Here down the side it says Blackpink 2021 Season's Greetings. Here at the back we have some info and like a really cute border, and same for the sides. So opening it up, oh my goodness, we have the photocard set. So pretty. So we have Rose. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, we have Rose, Lisa, Jennie. Oops, one of Jennie's cards got stuck together again. Jennie. And of course, last but not least, Jisoo. Love those. Next we have the DVD. It's a really gorgeous aesthetic. It says Blackpink and it has sort of like a wheel circular pattern. Then we have these deco stickers as well as the scheduler. So they're probably for the scheduler, either to decorate the cover or inside. I'm not gonna look through all the photos, of course, but we are gonna flip through it a little bit. Jisoo and Jennie. Then we have the girls. Where's Rose and Lisa? Oh, I think the front. Yeah. So we have Jennie and Lisa and Jisoo and all four girls. Yay. Next we have the mini calendar. Alright, then we have the stand calendar, and then we get into the bigger inclusions. So we do have the Fortune postcard set. It's really big. I really thought this would be so much smaller, but that's fine. We have Jennie, Jisoo, Lisa, and Rose. Then for the brochures, we have one for each girl, so this sort of serves as like the photo book. So let's just go through these very quickly, each girl. So we're starting with Jisoo, whose brochure is purple. Oh my goodness. I love the like individual photo books. Okay, then we have Jennie. Rose's, who is pink. That's so cute. Oh my god, this outfit on Rose, I really love it. I love the butterflies. god, that's so cute. Then lastly, of course, we have Lisa. I love that. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Then, of course, lastly, we have the standing calendar. Let's go through the photos really quickly. And that's it. So now we will go into the kit video. So the front has like a really cute pink background with some clouds. The Blackpink has a hollow pink outline and it says 2021 Season's Greetings Kit Video, and then it says Happy New Year, Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, Lisa. Then we have Blackpink Season's Greetings down the side and similar back, just like a different pattern for the background. It's also so much smaller than I expected and I really, really love it. That is so cute. Oh my goodness! These are so cute! So we have the fortune photos. Oh my god, that is so adorable. Are you serious? That's so cute. Then we have the Kihno kit itself, which has like a printed hollow background, but it's not actually hollow. And then the last inclusions are these postcards. So the front says Happy New Year, Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, Lisa as like the holder. So let's just go through these. So we have Rose, Jisoo, Jennie, Lisa, Rose, Jennie, Jisoo, Lisa, Rose, Jennie, and Jisoo and Lisa. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of Blackpink's 2021 Season's Greetings. I tried to fit it in as little time as possible because there is a lot to go through, but I still hope you guys enjoyed it regardless. I have a lot to arrange, so I'm gonna go now, but thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!